Migrating to Google Analytics segments is a crucial step in enhancing your website analysis and gaining deeper insights into user behavior. To begin, it is essential to understand what Google Analytics segments are. Segments are subsets of your data that allow you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, or traffic sources. The first step in migrating to Google Analytics segments is to identify your goals and objectives. Determine what you want to achieve through segmentation, such as analyzing the behavior of returning visitors or comparing the engagement of users from different countries. This will help you create relevant segments that align with your analytics strategy. Next, navigate to the Google Analytics dashboard and click on the Admin tab. From there, select the view for which you want to create segments. Google Analytics allows you to create 4 types of segments: demographic, technology, behavior, and traffic source. Choose the type of segment that best suits your objectives. For example, if you want to analyze the behavior of users who have made a purchase on your website, you can create a segment based on the transaction event. To do this, click on the New Segment button and select the conditions that define your segment. In this case, you would select the transaction event and set the condition to include users who have completed a transaction. Once you have created your segment, apply it to your reports to gain insights into the behavior of your targeted user group. Google Analytics allows you to apply segments to various reports, including the audience report, behavior report, and conversion report. By analyzing these reports, you can gain a deeper understanding of your users and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and marketing campaigns. Best practices for migrating to Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with your analytics strategy. It is also essential to keep your segments organized by using descriptive names and categorizing them based on their purpose. In conclusion, migrating to Google Analytics segments is a straightforward process that requires a clear understanding of your objectives and the criteria for creating relevant segments. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics and gain valuable insights into your website users. This will enable you to make informed decisions and drive meaningful improvements to your online presence.